Hello. Okay, so today I'm going to do our very first virtual math lesson. This lesson should be a review of skills that you guys already know a little bit about from second grade to help us get ready for our next unit, which is 3D shapes. So right now I want to talk to you about 2D shapes. So most of these shapes you should already know by name, hopefully. We have a circle, a square, a triangle, a rectangle, an oval, a pentagon, hexagon, octagon, and rhombus. Now, when we're talking about shapes, the most important thing for you to remember is that when I am asking you a question or someone is asking you a question about these shapes, they're going to use a word called attributes. Now, this word can sometimes be confusing because a lot of us don't remember it. Attributes are just like traits of the shape. So a trait of a square is that all four sides are the same length. It also has another attribute is that it has 4 right angles. Yeah? So those are 2 separate attributes about a square. Now, if I wanted to ask you what is one attribute of a circle, you could tell me that a circle is round. You could tell me that a circle has no angles. Those would be attributes of that shape, and that would help you to describe it. Okay, so that is the basis of this. Now, we should know a couple different things about these shapes already. A pentagon, we know, has 5 sides. A hexagon, right here, has 6. An octagon has 8. Those are the more typical shapes that we'll talk about, the pentagon, hexagon, and octagon. We'll talk about those a lot when we get into 3D shapes because they actually make the base of our 3D shapes. But that's for the next time. So I want you today, after you watch this video, I can't get my thing to straighten. After you watch this video, I want you to see if you can find some 2D shapes that you know in the wild. So go around your house and then take your tablet or your computer or your phone or whatever you're using for your distance learning and see if you can find a rectangle. See if you can find a hexagon or an octagon or a rhombus. Does anybody know an octagon you might see outside your house? So you might not be able to do that. But outside your house with parents' permission, you might be able to find one as a stop sign. I have index cards, which you guys all should have too from the care packages I made for you. What shape is this? Rectangle, right? The bottom of my Expo marker, right? We have different shapes everywhere. So there's, let's see, this is a hexagon at the top of my Expo marker here, right? Because it has 6 sides. So I want you to see how many shapes you can find and post some pictures of them to Seesaw and just label them. Tell me what they are. And that will be all. Thanks, guys. I hope you remember some of your 2D shapes.